Hey everybody, welcome to Kevin's Garage. Today is my first project in the new space. I'll be installing these headlight bulbs in my Honda Fit and see if they're any good compared to the halogen bulbs. Alright, let's jump into it. You need two tools for this job, a flathead screwdriver and a number 2 Phillips drill bit. There are two fasteners that need to be removed. Use the flathead to pop out the first and the number 2 Phillips bit to gently unscrew the second. If you push in at all, it won't unscrew. It's a little screwy. Peel back the liner and you can access the back of the headlight. Unplug the connector, then peel off the dust cover. There is a metal clip that holds the bulb in. Push it down and over to unclip it. Unfortunately, it's too cramped in there to get a good shot of that. The bulb then comes out. Here are the bulbs I purchased. Fahren For Sure H4 LED bulbs. The packaging is pretty nice, better than any other light bulbs I purchased. Inside is a small packet of warranty and installation information and the bulbs themselves. Please note I purchased these for myself after doing a lot of research. I'm not sponsored by the company, but if you want to buy these and help support my channel, I have an affiliate link in the description. The bulbs seem to be nicely constructive. They have active cooling via a small fan, an external driver, and H4 plug. I chose this set due to those features. LEDs are bright and they get hot. Cooling the housing is important, and the external driver stays away from the heat, increasing reliability, at least in theory. The bulb shape is almost identical, with LEDs in the same position that the bulb filaments would be, so the beam pattern can be emulated as close to a halogen bulb as possible. This is important so road visibility stays excellent and you don't blind other drivers. The bulb is made of two parts that interlock with each other. I think this is a clever way to make only one bulb that fits multiple bases, keeping manufacturing costs down, but I'm a little hesitant on the design because it seems to be poorly secured. Maybe a dot of glue to keep it in place would be beneficial, as it's easy to untwist. Here's where I knew there might be a problem. The old bulb is much more slim than the new one, to the point where I didn't think the dust cover would fit. There's a reason Honda has this dust cover, so I'm going to do my best to keep it without modifying it. Thankfully, it fits with an interesting approach. Here's a close-up of how I made it work. The driver and plug need to be pushed through the dust cover, and the dust cover popped all the way out. I'll show you the specifics on that in a bit. Installing the bulb is the exact opposite of removing the bulb. Due to the tight nature of the bulb access, I couldn't film it. Here's how I got it to look with the dust cover popped out. When the lights are on, you can barely hear the fans running when you're right next to it. Hey, if you like this video so far, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Now here's the side-by-side comparison. Wow, look how much brighter these are. Way brighter than the old halogen bulb. It looks like I may have to adjust the headlight down just a hair since it points slightly higher than the old bulb. Moving to the other side of the car, it took me 5 to 10 minutes to install the other bulb. Here's a close-up of getting the dust cover to work with the LED setup. Pull the driver through, then the plug, and you're set. Alright, here we are, the big reveal. Okay, not that bright, but wow, these are super bright. And they have level and even patterns in both low and high beam. On my 2007 Honda Fit, I received no error codes on the dash from adding these LEDs. So overall, there is definitely a difference in brightness. It was crazy to see them side by side and how much brighter the LED was. I think I'm going to be pretty happy with them. I took it for a spin around my neighborhood and can see excellently. The only thing I can't show in this video is how reliable they are. I'll keep you updated on that. If anything happens with these, I'll be sure to let you know. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode of Kevin's Garage. I'll see you later.